Hey guys, this is Scott Ulmer. I want to say thank you for the opportunity to come speak to you last Monday at the monthly meeting in Atlanta about our lease purchase mastery system, where we show you how to generate a minimum $10,000 in every deal we do. Dealing with executive level premium homes, great areas, great clientele. Frankly, there's little competition in the market that we target, which is great, particularly for you wholesalers and flippers who have a very, very tough job trying to compete with all of the folks out there doing the same thing. We have a very unique strategy. It's all we do, and we do it with excellence, and we're certainly excited to come back in a month, August 10th through the 12th in Atlanta, to do a 3-day training. We met some great people last Monday. It was an honor to be there. Thank you again for having us. Dustin, thank you as well. Some great people, and we're very excited to come back August 10th through 12th. Not only am I coming, Mike is coming as well, but I'm taking my entire deal-making team and my marketing team. So we're coming with all the big guns. We're going to have our guns loaded, ready to have a great training. Got some really, really good stuff to share. For those of you that weren't there, not only do you get all of our scripts, you get all of our contracts, all of our marketing templates. We're really giving you everything we have in this 3-day training. And again, August 10th through the 12th with my team. We're going to be back there. If you've signed up, keep your eyes open because we've got some really, really great emails that are going to be coming over the next several weeks. A lot of great pre-event content to kind of get you prepared. If you haven't signed up, I'm going to encourage you to check us out. Get with Dustin. He'll show you exactly the link to click in to sign up. It's going to be a great training. It's going to be a lot of very good information. We're big believers in giving a value away, and certainly hope that if you haven't signed up, that you'll reconsider. Call us with any questions that you may have. At the end of the day, August 10th to 12th is going to be a great training. Lease purchase mastery. We're going to show you literally without using money or credit how to take down a minimum $10,000 per every deal you do, and hopefully more than that. And there are certainly those opportunities in a market with little competition, which is really, really exciting, particularly with all these HGTV shows and everybody and their brother seems to be a flipper or a wholesaler nowadays. So we've got a very unique niche that we're going to talk about and frankly train you A to Z on how to do it. You will walk out of that training with the know-how and knowledge how to do deals with our contracts that are Georgia state specific. So anyway, excited to come back August 10th through 12th. If you're not signed up, I hope you do. We hope to see you there. A lot more videos to come, so keep your eyes open. Thank you.